The money was here yesterday. Who took it?
Mommy, it must be Musa. Ma, I didn't take it.
Don't lie to me.
I only went there to clean.
You expect us to believe you?
Please, sir. I didn't do it. Who else would take it? It's obvious.
After everything we've done for you.
Ma, I swear.
Enough! Pack your things. Leave this house.
Ma, please. Where will I go?
That is not my concern.
I didn't steal.
Boy, why are you crying here?
I have nowhere to go, sir.
What happened?
They said I stole, but I didn't.
Come with me.
Sir?
If you're lying, I'll know. But if you're not, I won't leave you here. From today, you'll stay here.
Why are you helping me?
Because someone helped me once, when nobody believed me. Musa, your result is excellent.
Thank you, sir.
I told you, your future is not finished.
I won't disappoint you, sir.
I didn't think you would go this far.
Sir, the charity request from Ibadan is here.
Let me see it. This address, the Bolarinwa family, they need medical help urgently, sir. Approve it. We might lose the house.
After everything?
Someone is here to see us.
Musa?
Good afternoon, ma.
You look...
Different? I heard you needed help. Before I help, I need to ask something. That day, did you ever find the money?
No. I'm sorry, I took it.
Bola?
I was scared. I didn't think they would send him away. We destroyed your life.
No, you didn't. You only changed the path, not the destination. Why are you helping us after everything? Because someone helped me when I had nothing.
They threw him away like he was nothing, while the real truth stayed hidden inside their house. Years later, when everything fell apart, the same boy they abandoned was the only one who could save them.
Thank you for always watching my content. Please always subscribe, share, comment, and as you do that, you will never go down. The power that is fighting you will never defeat you. The Lord will give you victory in the name of Jesus. Thank you for always being here. I love you all.